Now, all you tradies out there probably know that buying accessories are an absolute headache, but Bosch have made this simpler, and that's by introducing 3 new lines. This is Expert, Pro, and the Bosch range. Now, you might be thinking that 3 lines, surely that's going to be more complicated because the more lines you have, the more confusing it can become, but that's not the case. It's actually simpler, and it can save you money. We've got Sean from Bosch here today to tell us a little bit about these lines and just give us an overview. So, Sean, can you just explain the differences and why this makes life a bit simpler for people?
Yeah, absolutely. So we at Accessories have done a lot of market research, and we found that 67% of users pick the wrong accessory for their needs. So we've really tried to make it a lot easier and clearer by revamping our packaging. And we want to really reduce that to 0% of people picking the wrong accessory for their needs. So we started our packaging journey with the launch of Expert, which you can see over here. This is our premium performance power tool accessories. We recently launched the Pro range, which you can see here, which is your boosted productivity. And at the end of the year, we'll be launching the Bosch line, which is your trusted quality entry-level power tool accessories.
And with these ranges, who are they actually targeted at individually? So who would buy the Pro range, who would buy the Expert range, who would buy the standard Bosch range when it comes out?
Yeah, it's a really, really good question. So Expert is your more heavy duty application. So someone who wants the products to last a long time in the toughest and most demanding applications, really you'd want to use Expert. So the Pro range is absolutely tailored towards professionals as well, but if you are looking at getting that superior lifetime, then Expert would really be your go-to, but Pro will absolutely still do the job. And the Bosch line is a lot more affordable. It's certainly not as heavy duty as the Expert or the Pro range, but it will still get the job done, and it's a trusted accessory to have in your tool bag.
So you've mentioned about these 3 ranges, but how are people actually going to be able to differentiate between them?
The performance classes and ranges are clearly distinguished by colours, first of all. So as you can see, Expert over here is dark blue with the red Expert logo clearly on there as well. And then Pro, you're looking at a more grey packaging with the Bosch logo in blue at the bottom. And eventually, when we launch the Bosch line, the packaging will mostly be white.
And on the front of this packaging here, I can see there's a lot of little icons. It looks like it's got information on, but can you tell us a little bit about what they actually are?
Yeah, absolutely. So these are our benefit icons, and they're really there to help the user pick the right accessory. So this is an Expert example. This is our SDS Plus 7X drill bit set. Now, as you can see, there's a carbide technology logo on there, and that's because these drill bits have a solid carbide head at the end, and they're also 4 cutters as well. And we're also saying that that will give you up to 3 times longer life than your standard SDS bit. And if we look at a Pro example, this is one of our Pro screwdriver bits. As you can see, there's an impact logo on there, letting you know that these screwdriver bits are impact proof, so the strongest screwdriver bits out there on the market. And also there is a logo on there letting the user know that these screwdriver bits are 50 times more robust than your standard screwdriver bit.
And it is worth mentioning that with these benefit icons, they are on the ITS website as well, so you don't need to worry about if you're shopping online whether or not you're going to be able to see these and make sure you get the right ones, because they're going to be on the website anyway. So do the Expert, Pro and Bosch ranges cover all of the different accessory types?
Yep, we absolutely do. So all of the obvious accessory products are in each of the performance classes, Expert, Pro and Bosch.
The Expert, Pro and Bosch lines make sure that you can guarantee that you'll get the right accessory for every job that you're working on. The Expert and Pro lines are available now, with the Bosch one coming soon. You can find them at its.co.uk.